Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best iPhone Lightning cables you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many iPhone Lightning cables and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each iPhone Lightning cables so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an iPhone Lightning cable. First, always check for MFI certification, which ensures the cable meets Apple's safety and performance standards. Non-certified cables can damage your phone or fail to charge properly. Second, pay attention to build quality. Look for durable materials like braided nylon and reinforced connectors that resist bending or fraying. Third, consider the cable length that fits your needs. Shorter cables are ideal for travel, while longer ones work better at home or the office. Also, read user reviews to confirm reliability and charging speed. Finally, compare prices, but avoid extremely cheap options that compromise safety. Choosing a quality Lightning cable saves you money and protects your device in the long run. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.